8051. So this is a block diagram or architecture of 8051. Basically 8051 is a microcontroller that was manufactured by Intel Corporation in 1981. It is a 8-bit microcontroller, that is it can access only 8 bits of data. The system CPU can only work on 8 bit of data, and it has 128 bytes of RAM, 4 kilobytes of on-chip ROM. External ROM can be added, but on-chip 4 kilobytes or 4 KB of ROM is supplied by the manufacturer. And it has 2 timers, 1 serial port for serial data communication, and 4 ports, each of 8-bit wide. And it is also known as system on chip because the whole system is available only on one chip. So we have here 4 ports named as port 0, port 1, port 2 and port 3, or we will address them as P0, P1, P2, P3. Here we can see that port 0 has A0 to A7 and port 2 has A8 to A15, that is 8051 has 16-bit address bus, and the data bus is of 8 bits, so that is handled by port 0, D0 to D7, so it is latched. So port 0 and port 2 are latched to form the address bus. Port 0 forms the lower address bus, port 2 forms the higher address byte, not bus. Then all of the ports can act as input output ports, where port 0 has another specialty. It acts as the data bus. Port 1 only acts as input output, port 2 as the higher byte of the address bus. Port 3, it has several pins for interrupts like INT, INT0 and INT1, counters, serial data, read and write bar, RD bar and WR bar. As well as we can do input output with these ports. These ports are latched with the address. So we have the 16-bit address bus and 8-bit data bus, and 8051 has arithmetic logical unit ALU, which is present in all the processors, microprocessors. Then registers A, B, then PSW means program status word, PC or program counter. We will see the details of the registers in another video. Then we have DPTR, which consists of DPTH higher, DPTL, and we have here special function registers and RAM. Special function registers, in we have these for interrupts, controlling the uh, serial data and timers, then timer registers for the timers we have in special function registers. And RAM, in RAM we have four banks of uh, RAM. 128 bytes of RAM is divided into 32 bytes of 4 banks, each having 8 registers, R0 to R7. And then we have bit addressable 16 bytes, and then from 30H to 7FH we have scratchpad or general purpose RAM. It is not shown here, we will see. Then here we have the different signals for system timing, interrupts and data buffer memory, and here this is the VCC power supply pins, VCC and ground. And we have here ROM, 4 KB of ROM. So the microcontroller 8051 has the processor, inbuilt processor, as well as inbuilt RAM, ROM, IO ports, timers, and serial data. And for serial data communications, it also has the serial ports.